In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to jump rope with the correct form. Step 1 will be to determine that the jump rope is a good fit for the height of your body. To do this, you'll step in the center of the jump rope and make sure that the jump rope handles don't pass your armpits in length. If they do, then the jump rope needs to be shortened because it is too long. So make sure that the jump rope handles come up to your armpits and no further. Once you have determined that the jump rope is an appropriate length for your height, you can now begin practicing. When you begin practicing, make sure to land with bent knees. This will allow for some cushioning as you land. Secondly, stay on the balls of your feet. Do not land flat-footed. Next, make sure that you have a relaxed grip on the handles and gradually build your way up, starting with just 1 jump per swing, then 2 jumps, then 3, then 4, until you're able to continuously jump the rope. As you're jumping, make sure to keep your elbows and wrists tucked in close by your sides. And lastly, practice in an environment that will offer biofeedback, whether that's with mirrors or with an audible noise every time that the jump rope hits the ground, so that you can learn the rhythm.